Okay, so I tore accidentally, well, we took the engine apart, took the reed valve off, I tore Iggy's inlet gasket. So I'm going to have to make a new one. Basically, draw around onto some nice thick gasket paper. You could order this in sheets off eBay or whatever. Draw around where you want, and then you need a set of these punches. And that's the easy way to make the holes rather than trying to drill or do anything silly like that. Basically put the punch on top of the hole and it will cut a nice round hole. Do that again. Just doing this on MDF. And now for sections you've got to cut out like this, what you can also do is use a smaller punch to do the corners. And then connect them up with scissors. And should be able to slice these up. Smaller nail scissors work well for this sort of job rather than these ginormous ones, but we'll get there with these. So it's not too difficult really. The punches make things a lot easier than trying to turn scissors around in a sharp corner. It doesn't work very well generally. So then quickly brush off the outside shape. I'm left-handed and they don't make really many left-handed scissors, so they don't work particularly well for me. One gasket. Alright, those corners perhaps do trimming up slightly, but you know, it'll do the trick. It's thicker than the other one. Straighten this edge a little bit. There we go. Not a decent job, isn't it? Good replacement, that. Sorted.